This is my Kawasaki KC100 C1. It's 1980 was when it was built. Apparently it's quite rare. Well, I can't find anything. Can't find much about it on the internet. Only a few parts. I got this a few months ago. Didn't get time to work on it. Just got it back here a few weeks ago. That's all I've done on it so far. Is I've accidentally broke one of the mirrors. It actually just came off. I didn't actually yank it or anything. And I freed up the wheels. That's all I did was partially take the wheel off. So I took the main thing out. There's a bolt right there. I didn't disconnect all the brake stuff. I just did it for ease of use to do stuff to the brakes, and I had to separate this from everything else. This is a drum brake, so I'm gonna need to get new pads maybe, but it actually looks quite clean inside. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make a little series on this bike because there's not many videos out there about this bike. I quite like it because it's only got 100cc, but really it's 99 probably. I need a new fuel tank. It's quite hard to find, so I'm probably gonna need to get a different coloured one, which is fine. I can still reuse. Apparently these caps are quite expensive as well. The main things I'm gonna get is a fuel tank, fuel tap, clutch and throttle cables, new ignition because I can't find a key, or maybe I can try and get a key somewhere, but it was outside for over 10 years. So new shock covers because it also holds up the light, so I need to get a new light as well. There's not a bunch to do. It does look a bit rough, but these wheels I actually find they hold up air fine. Tires haven't actually gone down all that much. I didn't pump them up super high, seeing as they're old tires and it's been sitting outside for a very long time. I need to fix the stand. I have got the springs inside because it's broken there, if you can see. It turns over. Well, it turns. I mean, the engine turns. The gearbox did work. I took it rolling just to check out every gear worked, and it popped out and it doesn't want to get back into gear. Maybe it's just a selector. I hope so anyway. Or the chain's fallen off, but it doesn't sound like it. There's a bit more rust here. It looks quite rusty, but it's I can re-chrome it, so it's not that bad. I'm surprised how much chrome's actually stayed on here. I believe it's a 2-stroke because there's a thing here, and also it says 2-stroke on the cap there. So it's not too bad. I'm gonna get new mirrors because these ones are just totally. Actually, no, it does turn a little bit. I did put I've already put a whole bottle of WD-40 to get in these cracks, just so then I can actually get to it. I let that set for about 2 or 3 days. But you can. It does turn. That's the only reason I actually bothered to get it. I got it for stacking a pile of little hay bales onto a trailer, helping out, and they didn't want it. It was sitting behind a shed, so I got it. Well, not quite for free, but I got it for no money, so that was good. Only hard thing to find is these. There's one. I've found a left one that's on eBay for this side. Headlight's easy enough to get, but I can't find the right one. And fuel tank, there's only about 2, and one of them has a pile of rust in it, so I'm gonna have to get a blue one. But you're a donkey. But I'm looking forward for this. It's a rare bike, very rare in the UK, 1980 model. The black ones are rare, so I need to try and find out how to get the fuel tank the same colour, because the one I'm going to get is a blue one. So, because it's the only one I can find. But overall, there's not a pile to do. So I've already freed up the wheels, they were locked up. I didn't readjust the brakes or anything because the cables are done anyway. This does turn, needs a new spring though, doesn't go back much. This is totally seized. The clutch thing, that needs to be turned. That's broken there, if you can see. But it's not seized, so it's probably just a cable on this one. I just need to get it off. I need to take apart the handlebars because, well, this moves a little bit, but everything's seized up. Not surprised, it's been sitting outside for a long time. It's got really nice fenders though, considering. So, and the back shocks are fine. These don't have to be replaced, just the cover does, I think. I'm trying to keep everything as original as I can. New tyres, exactly the same, are going to be quite easy to get, I believe. So, yeah, I just want to make a series, or at least one video on this bike, to just let people know that there are more out there. Maybe not in very good condition that you find on Google, but I'm on a farm, and I'm trying to do this. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is the new channel. I have been doing YouTube since since 2018, but on and off. So I just want to start a new channel, new beginnings, start trying to do things really smooth. I think the camera quality is alright. I can put it up to 4K, but then I sacrifice the FPS to 30, so got an 8-man camera, if you're wondering. A bit of an older one, I think, so yeah. I've also got a Phantom 3 standard drone. That I didn't buy that brand new though, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Just to start a little video so I can kind of just like get something to do, get something started. I might make a video showing showing you some of the older videos I made as well, because I deleted my old channel. They're like really old videos from back in 2018, which is a long time ago. Also, I'm gonna be turning this old milking parlour into my workshop. I already changed the bulb. My dad put a smaller bulb because he kept lambs or something here and he didn't want to keep them awake all night, so he put a smaller, less bright bulb in it. But I've put a big new one in it now. Probably gonna put bigger ones, but we're gonna clear the banisters, move this big sofa that's here. You can also see I've got a rotavator, another rotavator, and toolbox and a socket set. My best ever purchase was that socket set. I still need a spanner set, a drill, a grinder, and stuff. But we're going to clear this out. Not going to move everything out because it's my dad's shed. I'm just going to tidy up, get rid of all this horse stuff. There's a couple of bricks in there, stop cows from breaking it. The glass apparently, but need to get more light in here. Also, there's a crack in the roof over there, but need to watch out for that because it's asbestos. But overall, I think it'll be quite nice in here once I get more light in here and get it cleared out. My little workshop, cause my brother has a tractor parked in the main shed. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Introduction to the channel. Might actually call it introduction. I can't say that word. Also, if you might not have seen, I've got messy teeth. I had a baby tooth, it stayed in there, and the adult tooth came through, got pushed aside, I did get it taken out by the dentist, but it was too late by then. So I'm waiting for a phone call to get braces. Might have to go in because that was before COVID. So maybe they've scrapped the queue. I don't know what's happened. But that's fine. Also, I need to get need to get a good haircut. I've got a homemade mullet, and it's not even good. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see this kind of content. I'm quite excited for the bike because I said I was gonna do it no matter what. So especially that it seems that it's rare. So I'll see you in another video, I suppose. Yeah.